Hey guys, Up7 here. Today I'm going to be showing you a really cool treasure hunt that I picked up at my local HEB and another cool car with it. So, yeah. We got this really cool Lamborghini LP622 Super Trofeo Huracan. It's all done up in the, I don't know if it's the official Lamborghini racing livery, but I love this casting. The extremely aggressive body kit and the huge metal rear spoiler on it. Look really cool. It's got the, I don't know how many spokes that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, I don't know, 11 spoke? I'm not sure. 11 spoke wheels on it. I love the green and black paint scheme. It's part of the speed graphics, I think. Speed graphics. 10 out of 10. Real race performers that speed fast on track. But yeah, this is a really sick looking car. I think I'm going to open this. I'm going to open this car. Who cares? Get a little closer look at it. Oh, this thing's nice. Focus. Get it to focus on the car. There we go. The wheels are gray, so it's not just a lighting. The wheels are not white, so it's hard to see them. Really cool car. I bet this thing will be quick on the 6-lane speedway. It's pretty heavy, but not probably good in loops, boosters, and curves because of the splitter right here. But really nice looking car. But moving on to the main attraction, we got this awesome Blast Lane motorcycle treasure hunt. I haven't seen one of these in a while, or at least a motorcycle treasure hunt. Yeah, it's part of the Hot Wheels, I think, Moto. Yeah, of course it is. Hot Wheels Moto series. Cool American paint scheme. You got the treasure hunt logo on the gas tank. The handlebars are actually a separate piece. They're white plastic. I don't think that looks the greatest, but whatever. Cool if they did continuation, or at least the plastic was gray. Or a metal handlebars would have made more sense anyway. It's a really cool 3-spoke chopper. We have a few of these Blast Lane choppers. My brother used to collect the motorcycle Hot Wheels cars. And he has a few of these. But yeah, this is an awesome treasure hunt. Since it's a little bit farther out than the cars are from the packaging, you can see the treasure hunt message in the back really easily. This is at our local HEB on the pegs. We also found a Tankinator on the pegs at our local Walmart. So it is possible to find treasure hunts on the pegs, even after people have gone through them. Dump bins for sure also. But yeah, you don't have to track down shipments and stuff, because you can get stuff like this after it's already been gone through. It's probably advised, not advised, what's the word, recommended that you do seek out shipments and the codes and stuff to know what cases there's going to be and to seek out treasure hunts, but it isn't impossible to find them just kind of lying around. But yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. This Saturday we're going to be doing probably a track video or Hot Wheels slow-mo. We haven't done one of those in a while, but yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.